right now, this moment, as soon as you're done watching this video. Hey guys, Loree here. Welcome back. For those of you that are new, I am a professional photographer and I run a blog called Love Loree XO where I focus on travel and living well. In today's video, I'm going to touch on one of my favorite topics of all time, and that is gratitude journaling. This is one of my favorite topics, and often I highlight it on my Instagram stories as well, and sometimes I journal on there in the evenings at night. This is going to be your guide to gratitude journaling for now and to get you a leg up on 2020. Don't even worry about starting on New Year's resolutions or all of that fun stuff. You can start right now, this moment, as soon as you're done watching this video. By the way, if you have not subscribed or hit the notification bell, please do so, and give this video a thumbs up if you like it at the end. So, gratitude journaling. Journaling is one of my favorite things to do. I've done it for years. I'm sure a lot of you have heard of gratitude journaling and maybe you want to get into it, you don't know how to go about it. I'm here to tell you that it's a very, very simple process, easy to get into. You can do it from your phone, super easy. What is gratitude journaling? Gratitude journaling is essentially you writing down your thoughts on what you are most grateful for at the time. Who is gratitude journaling for? Gratitude journaling is for anyone that can write and who's old enough to write. For example, my son is in first grade and my daughter is in pre-K. I do something with them before bed, generally right before bed, before they're falling asleep. I ask them what are 3 things that they most loved about today. We call them yays and boos. What are some of your yays? And lately, I've been focusing on the yays before bed, and then we'll talk about were there any boos after school. Like I usually do it after school. So they can tell me things that they were most unhappy with throughout their day, and when they're going to bed, things that they enjoyed the most. So you can do it with younger ones as well, just to get them in the habit. Now, let's move into when you should write in your gratitude journal. The best times to write in your gratitude journal, like I mentioned, some people like to do it in the morning as more of like a spiritual practice and something to center them before they start their day. Personally, I do it right before bed. You want to write down at least 3 things that you are most grateful for. They don't have to be thought-provoking and deep. And you usually want to start the sentence with, I am so happy and grateful that, or I am so happy that. They could really be something as simple as, I am so grateful for this beautiful day. Like today here, it is gorgeous, not a cloud in the sky, and it's about 67 degrees and it feels so good. Also, you want to make it routine. So put the journal or the notebook by your bed. So right as you're about to doze off to sleep, you grab that journal, write down 3 things that you're most grateful for. You can also write it on your notepad that is on your phone. There's usually, I know I have the iPhone and we have something called Notepad. So if my journal, for example, is downstairs, I grab it and I do my journaling on my notepad on my phone. Super simple, and it just feels really good to have those written. I don't know what it is about writing. I've always kept a journal, and for a long time I fell off. But there came a time where I could not fall asleep if I did not journal my thoughts before dozing off. Here are some great benefits to gratitude journaling. 1, it has been scientifically proven to reduce stress. 2, with that reduced stress, you're gonna feel calm. It is very calming. So you're gonna feel relaxed as you're dozing off to sleep, which is why I think I enjoy doing my gratitude journaling just before bed. 3, it will help you to focus on things that matter most. It'll make you more mindful. And after doing this for some time, maybe a couple days, you'll find that you are thinking about the good things that happened to you throughout the day, because you know later on tonight or later on that night, you're gonna write down things that you're most grateful for. So you'll be more mindful of the wonderful things that are going on in your life. And of course, with all of the calmness and relaxation it brings, it will help to raise your vibration. And raising your vibration, your good energy, is going to draw more good things to you. That's why some people refer to it as an attitude of gratitude. They are aware and are grateful for wonderful things that are happening in their life. And nothing is too small to be grateful for. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope this guide gets you on your way to gratitude journaling in a fantastic way. I can't wait to hear about any results that you're gonna have from it, because it will prove fruitful when you're more mindful of the wonderful things that are happening in your life. I would love to hear about it. please shoot me some comments below if you keep a gratitude journal or if you have any wonderful experience with gratitude journaling. I will see you guys soon. By the way, occasionally I post my gratitude entries onto my Instagram, so please feel free to come over there and say hello. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.